Hi friends, I can't wait to share with you my spin on an apricot glazed chicken. It's effortless elegance. First, we're gonna start by making this sweet and spicy glaze. You're gonna put in apricot preserves, brown sugar, water, and brandy. Simmer it until it reaches your desired consistency. Add those dried apricots and stir in the harissa. Let's reserve 1 tablespoon of the glaze with currants. We're going to place those chicken breasts skin side down in the skillet and cook until they're well browned. Brush the glaze over the chicken skin side up using a pastry brush, and then turn the chicken skin side down and bake in the oven. We're gonna bake them at 425 degrees. After about 6 minutes, we're gonna turn the chicken skin side up. And then we'll continue cooking until the thickest part of the breast registers about 160 degrees. Now it's time to make the currant pistachio couscous. Put those breasts right on top of the couscous and you're ready to eat.